Today we talk about electronegativity and what does it mean. Electronegativity is the ability of an atom to attract a pair of electrons in a chemical bond. It determines how common electrons are distributed between two atoms in a bond. The value of the difference in electronegativity of two bonded atoms provides a measure of the polarity in the bond and thus the bond type. Today we talk about three types of chemical bonded. The first type, when the difference between electronegativity is very small or zero, the bond is covalent nonpolar. For example, two atoms chlorine have the same electronegativity, and difference between their electronegativity is zero and the bond is nonpolar. When the difference is intermediate, the bond is polar covalent. For example, the difference between electronegativity atom hydrogen and atom chlorine is 0.9, and this bond is polar. In this bond, a more electronegativity atom can attract an electron from a less electronegativity atom. A partial negatively charged accumulates on an atom that attracts an electron. The atom that loses the electron accumulates a partial positively charged. The molecule becomes polar and dipole is formed. In atom chlorine receives a partial negatively charged and in atom hydrogen positively charged. When difference between electronegativity is large, this bond is ionic. For example, difference between electronegativity atom sodium and atom chlorine is 2.1. A more electronegativity atom can gain an electron from a less electronegativity atom. A negatively charged formed on an atom that gains the electrons, and it calls anions. An atom that loses an electron receives a positively charged, and it is cations.